Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be debunking a common tech myth that's been circulating for years. The idea that Macs are immune to malware. Let's dive right in. The myth that Macs are immune to malware is widespread, often leading users to believe that their Apple devices are impervious to any form of cyber attack. While it's true that Macs have certain security advantages, they're by no means invulnerable. To understand the origins of this myth, we need to go back to a time when Windows PCs were more susceptible to malware due to their larger user base. This led to the perception that Macs were immune simply because they were less targeted. As Macs gained popularity, cybercriminals began to shift their focus. In recent years, the number of malware attacks targeting Macs has been steadily rising. This shows that attackers adapt their tactics to the changing landscape. Apple does take security seriously and integrates various security features. These include Gatekeeper, XProtect, and sandboxing, which help protect users from downloading and executing malicious software. However, these measures are not foolproof. Let's talk about some real-world examples. Over the years, Macs have fallen victim to malware such as Trojans, adware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. The concept that Macs are immune has been shattered by these incidents. While Apple's built-in security features help, users often rely on third-party applications. If these apps have vulnerabilities, they can provide an entry point for attackers, regardless of the underlying operating system. The human element is often the weakest link in cybersecurity. Scammers use social engineering to trick users into giving away sensitive information or installing malware. This is a universal vulnerability that affects all platforms, including Macs. Apple regularly releases software updates that include security patches. Ignoring these updates can leave your Mac vulnerable to known exploits. Regular updates are crucial to maintaining your device's security. So, in conclusion, the myth that Macs are immune to malware is just that, a myth. While Macs do have security advantages and a lower malware infection rate compared to some other platforms, they are not invincible. Cybercriminals are adaptable and will target any vulnerable system. To stay safe online, regardless of your device, follow best practices. Use strong, unique passwords. Be cautious of suspicious links and downloads. Keep your software updated and consider using reputable security software. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay curious and keep questioning those tech myths.